It's open, they're up and racing. Ferrari Wonders for your lead. Eastern Blast running by the then followed by Yes Beauty. Moving up by the Rail Classical Bid together with Tarzan. Maximus Reward for Effort is racing in fourth as they race towards the half mile pole. Eastern Blast being joined by Classical Bid by the Reward for Effort coming from fourth, catching the third spot as they rounded the 600. Eastern Blast still leading the field. Classical Bid shuffle back in second. Reward for Effort improving its position, almost catching the second spot as they race at a 450 as they race for home. It's Storm Blast leading the field, followed by Classical Bid in second. Reward for Effort racing in third, and down the stretch they come. Classical Bid and Storm Blast are parting it out for the lead. Classical Bid is Storm Blast running on the outside. Reward for Effort is racing in fourth. Is Storm Blast this time by about a length and a half. And finally is Storm Blast, Classical Bid, Tarzan Maximus, fourth. Reward for Effort. Then comes number 10, Minotaur and Yes Beauty for your